bucker. Foot pegs removed while I do the fiddling around. I still want to use these two holes, the foot peg mounting hole and the bracket I made, but what I've done is cut a chunk out of the front so I can sink it behind the foot peg. Oh, never get employed as a welder, ha 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 ha. God, it's still warm. So yes, welded, tested. Not neat though. Right, fitted, welded, kickstart, clears. If I look at it with it pointing forward, I think I could do with a brake, couldn't I? But I'd be frightened of it rolling forward, so I think it's just a temporary stop before it leans over enough. Right, I've received a new circuit board from On in Holland, Netherlands. Just putting it on. Need to make sure you use slot 1, not slot 2. If I have to do this again, I'm going to do it. And then the LED is red, and you just rotate this disc anti-clockwise until it just goes out. Tighten up the nut, which weirdly doesn't seem to move the disc, and it's such a small disc I don't suppose there's much inertia to it. And then I've put the original washer on that used to go on the end of the old sender unit, and the tachometer feed. Tighten that up. Let's turn it off while we do that. And we'll see if it starts. Kickstand now clears the side stand. The new disc has no pulsing, just smooth braking. I think the pads need bedding in, or maybe I need a new set. The rev limiter cuts in just after the 9,000 RPM red line, about 9,200, perfect. And I cannot recommend highly enough the service from On
at SWF Ignition Systems. I just need to enjoy the bike now.